Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Stop. Caine, this video is gonna be a skincare routine video. Caine! This is Caine. Say hi, Caine. This is my son. He's 2. Okay. Caine, can you relax? Relax. Okay, you want to do it with me? Okay. So, whenever I was pregnant with him... Caine, stop talking. Okay, whenever I was pregnant with him, I broke out really, really bad. I never really had bad skin like before then. The only other time I broke out was like in 6th grade because it was like puberty or whatever. But that's the only other time I broke out. But I broke out real bad. Like on my cheeks. Be quiet. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. But yeah, I broke out real bad whenever I was pregnant with him. But I started trying to take care of my skin and stuff. Stop, Caine, because I do wear a lot of makeup like sometimes. So I got really into skincare. So I like to try different stuff right now. This isn't like my skincare routine for right now. It is like I just bought all this stuff just to try it. I've been trying it for about like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. It's been okay. It's been doing pretty good. But my skin hasn't really been breaking out lately, so I do have hyperpigmentation. I don't really have like bad skin overall, but I do break out, and whenever I do break out, I do get hyperpigmentation. Like right here, like I get dark marks and stuff. So stop. Sit. So I do try to like do lightening, like stuff that's gonna be like lightening for my skin, that's gonna like even out my skin tone and stuff. So whenever I broke out with my son, I used the glycolic acid or something like that, the little face wash by Mario Badescu. I can't even pronounce that, but if you know, you know. So first, I'm just gonna start with this enzyme revitalizing mask. And you don't need to use these masks that much. You could use it like maybe like 2 times a week. And this says that it's supposed to like brighten your skin, and it has papaya and it's antioxidants like enriched. So I guess it's just supposed to like brighten your skin. Put it on your face. Wash your face. Put water on your face. Water. Put it on your face.
It's cold.
No, wash your face.
It's cold.
Sorry, Cordaden made a guest appearance. This is my other son. He woke up from his little nap. But I'm going to put him in his playpen so me and Caine can finish this video.
It's hot.
It's hot? Then don't touch it. Turn the water off.
That's cold.
It's cold? Okay. So it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. Okay. Caine, stop shouting. Okay, so I rinsed that mask off, and I rinsed it off with lukewarm water, and then you pat your face dry with a towel. So now after that, I usually, my face, like, it just depends. Like, if I put on makeup, I'll usually use this, but since, because I was going to use it just because, but I don't really have nothing on my face, so I'm not gonna, clean it extra good. But I usually use this eucalyptus, Castle, soap. Y'all, I don't know. It has, a lot of different oils in it, coconut, olive, and hemp oils. So I'll usually use that, but I'm not going to use it because I'm just not going to use it because I don't need to. But I am going to take my, tea tree oil. I'm going to take my tea tree oil and then my, I can't remember what the derma roller. It has like little needles. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I have eyelash extensions and these bitches be itching. Like, especially when I like get water or anything on them. That's probably why they look crazy. But my derma roller, it has like little bitty blades on them, so it like penetrates your skin, but at the same time it like repairs it, if that makes sense. I don't know, the little needles, they like break apart your skin, but it's like repairing it at the same time. I don't know, but I like to put this on it first because of my hyperpigmentation. Like, tea tree oil really helps with that, with the hyperpigmentation, and it's like anti-inflammatory, so it like helps with, breakouts and things. So, but it's really strong, so you have to like dilute it. Wait for now. Get the tea tree oil, open it, take a Q-tip, run it under water, so I got a little bit of water on it, do like 2 drops of tea tree oil on there, and I just like to put it on like my problem areas, like where I get the most dark spots, which is like right here, and then here, and it's like, if you've never like put tea tree oil like on your face, it's like tingly, like, I don't know, it's just like tingly, and it's like kind of like, I don't know, not like hot, but it's like, it shit tingles. Caine, stop. Okay, now I've already washed that off, so now we're gonna move on to toner. So, yeah, we're gonna use this seaweed cleansing lotion toner. Stop, baby. It's supposed to like, I don't know, do what toners do to face, tone your face. Caine, move. I'm sorry, like, my YouTube channel and like my videos are not finna be, I'm not like your typical YouTuber with them like perfect ass videos, the shit's all scripted or whatever the fuck they be doing. We're in the ghetto, like, you get what you get. Y'all gonna be happy with it. We're ghetto, like, the ghetto. But back to our regular scheduled program. I'm about to put this toner on. Okay, so I'm lazy and my little face pads are upstairs. I don't feel like going upstairs, so I'm just gonna use this paper towel, and because it's liquid, then just put a couple drops on there. I'm just gonna wipe my face and do it lightly, especially with something as harsh as a paper towel. Make sure you. I'm doing it light. Okay. And this feels like refreshing though. You know, when you put toner on, you notice like whenever you wash your face be like extra dry, you feel me? And like, you know, you feel what I'm saying. And then when you put toner on, it just like, it brings the color back to your skin. It just brings your skin back to life. And all these products are cruelty free and paraben free. I don't even know what paraben is. I ain't even gonna cap, but I think I don't even know what that is. Paraben? What the fuck is a paraben? I don't know, but it ain't good for you. Whatever it is, shit. Alright. Now, we're gonna use the Hydro Moisturizer with vitamin C. And I like to use vitamin C serum. Let me shut this door because Caine is shouting for no reason. Okay. I like to use vitamin C serum because, especially like under my eyes, because I got dark spots under my eyes. So I don't sleep at night. I'll stay up all fucking night, all night. I'll stay up all night. But yeah. What the fuck was I talking about? Oh yeah. Vitamin C. It's like real hydrating. It's really good for the skin and stuff. So. Vitamin C serums period are like real good for the skin. Mine is upstairs, so I'm not gonna go get it, but it's fine. And I like this moisturizer because my skin just be like feeling, and it don't feel like this all day. Whenever I put this moisturizer on, it feels soft, and then it feels like hydrated because my skin gets dry. Sometimes like it can get real dry, and it don't get dry whenever I put this on. Like I get dry the most like around my nose, so I'm just gonna put a little extra around my nose area, and on my forehead, down my neck. Okay. And I got a little kit, cause it's like a trial kit kind of. So all of these aren't really like that big, you know. They're kind of small because I wanted to try them out and see what works for my skin. Cause they had a few different ones. I can't remember which one I got. I think I got the dry or combination skin one. Yeah, I think that's the one I got. Cause that's really kind of how my skin is. It's either like dry, or sometimes it'll be oily in certain spots but dry in others, or sometimes it just don't even be doing nothing. But I like eye creams, but I mean, it's just an eye cream. But it came in here, so it's I'll read it. It's a hyaluronic eye cream. And hyaluronic acid is like really good for your skin, so you feel me? Make sure you put that on there. I like to, I don't be trying to OD, but like I put a lot. Okay. Alright. I'll put like that much, go up. I put it on top. And I promise, if you hear Corday crying, I promise it's like nothing wrong with him. Because if I go out there and go pick him up, he's fine. He's very, very spoiled. He just doesn't want to be in his little playpen. But I'm just putting this all around my eye though. All of it. Rub it in. Okay. Now that's pretty much it. My lashes are like going crazy. But that's pretty much it for my whole facial or like my whole skincare routine right now. You know, I switch it up depending on, you know, how my skin is reacting. Right now my skin is doing pretty good with this, so I'm gonna stick with this for a minute, and then if I decide to, like, if I see something, usually when I'm at the store and I see something I like or something, I just try it. So if I see something I like, I'll try it, and I might upload another video on it. But right now this is cool. So thank you guys for watching my skincare video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down in like the comments like what y'all want me to do, if y'all have any video ideas, and I'll try to make them for you guys. But thank you guys for watching.